Welcome to Nitro Garage 2026 Nissan Frontier. Nissan has introduced its iconic Frontier pickup truck for 2026 with a completely fresh approach that captures the heart of every truck enthusiast out there. This truck is not just a vehicle, but a complete package that brings together power, style, and technology all in one impressive machine. When you first lay your eyes on this truck, its bold and aggressive design immediately stops you in your tracks. In a stunning color like afterburn orange, this truck stands on a completely different level, and its presence on the road feels more dominant than any other truck in its class. The exterior design of the 2026 Nissan Frontier is entirely new and modern. Its V-Motion chrome grille is massive and powerful looking, which gives the front face an extremely dominant appearance. The LED projector-style headlights are very sharp and bright, which illuminate the road perfectly even during nighttime driving. The body lines of the truck are muscular and chiseled, giving it a sporty and tough personality that demands attention everywhere it goes. The multi-spoke aluminum alloy wheels, which are 17 inches, make the overall look of the truck even more premium and refined. In crew cab configuration, this truck feels very spacious, and the rear doors are also full-size, which makes traveling with family incredibly comfortable and convenient. Talking about the inside, the 2026 Frontier interior feels quite upgraded and delivers a genuinely premium experience. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, featuring a large 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. The digital instrument cluster is very clear and informative, with all necessary information easily readable at a glance. The seats are covered in premium quality leather, and the front seats offer both heating and cooling options available for maximum comfort. Rear seat space is also quite generous, where adult passengers can sit comfortably even on long journeys. Cabin noise insulation is also very impressive, and even on the highway the interior remains quiet and composed. Storage options are also very plentiful, including multiple cup holders, door pockets, and a large center console storage area. Coming to the engine, the 2026 Frontier is powered by a 3.8-liter V6 petrol engine that produces 310 horsepower and 281 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers completely smooth and seamless gear shifts every single time. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but a 4x4 option is also available, which is perfect for off-road adventures and tough terrains. The truck has a towing capacity of up to 6,720 pounds and a payload capacity of 1,610 pounds, which makes it a seriously capable work truck for any job. The PRO-4X trim, which is focused on off-road performance, comes with Bilstein shock skid plates and an electronic locking rear differential that gives you confidence to tackle even the most extreme terrains without hesitation. Safety features in the 2026 Frontier are also very comprehensive and well thought out. Nissan Safety Shield 360, which comes as standard, includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and rear automatic braking, all included together. Adaptive cruise control, which is extremely useful during highway driving, is also available on higher trims. Multiple airbags and a strong, rigid body structure also ensure complete passenger safety in any situation. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Frontier is a truck that offers the absolute best value in its entire class. It is the perfect choice for those who want a capable, stylish, and technology-packed pickup truck that is equally ready for daily work duties and exciting weekend adventures without any compromise whatsoever. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Nitro Garage for more amazing car reviews and updates every week. See you in the next one.